In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving announcement bar in Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all of your storefront appearance settings live. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the active theme, so any changes you make will be applied to the live store or a preview you can test. Once you're on the Themes page, click Customize next to your active theme. That opens the theme editor, a live preview that lets you make visual changes and test them instantly. Give the preview a second to load so you can see the storefront and the available sections on the left-hand panel. In the theme editor, find and click the announcement bar section. Depending on your theme, this section might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually called announcement bar or header announcement. When you open that section, you'll see controls that let you edit the text, layout, and behavior of the announcement area. If you don't see it, check the sections list or use the search field in the editor, since some themes put it inside the header settings. Next, enable rotation for the announcements. Look for the checkbox labeled Auto Rotate Announcements and make sure it's checked. Right below or nearby, you should find the slide frequency control. This sets how long each message stays visible before transitioning to the next one. A good rule of thumb is anywhere from 3 to 6 seconds per slide for normal text. But if your messages are longer, choose a slightly higher value so customers have time to read. Now add multiple announcement messages and arrange their order. Enter concise, clear messages that convey promotions, shipping updates, or important notices. Keep each message short so it's readable at a glance. Use the editor's Add Message button to create additional slides and drag them to reorder so the most important ones show up first. Preview the rotation in the Live Preview pane to confirm timing and readability on desktop and mobile. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, refresh a storefront preview or open your storefront in a new tab to verify the moving announcement bar appears and rotates as expected. As a quick tip, test on different screen sizes and make sure contrast and font size are accessible, so every visitor can read your announcements easily.